Hi students, good morning. The derivative of the function 3x square plus 4x plus 5 whole power 6 with respect to x. With respect to x. So we have only the standard formulas x to the power of n, sin x derivative, cos x derivative, a power x derivative, e power x derivative, all the formulas are there, tan x derivative. Okay. Now this you convert into standard form exactly, they treat as x to the power of n. So this you write, let y is equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 5 whole power 6. Now we have to find dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x. Now this you treat, let this is u is equal to this 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is treated as u. Now then y is equal to what? This you treat as u to the power of 6. U power 6. Now this is of the form x to the power of n. Now we are differentiating with respect to u. That means dy by du is equal to d by du of u to the power of 6. Derivative of just x power n. So derivative of y with respect to u. dy by dx means what? Derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to z. Derivative of y with respect to t. Derivative of y with respect to u. So there is a meaning. With respect to x, with respect to t, with respect to z, with respect to u. Now we are differentiating with respect to u. So this is equal to, what is the derivative of x to the power of n? N into x to the power of n minus 1, that is 6 into u power 5. So this is dy by du is equal to dy by du, and u is equal to what? So this is u. Now this differentiating with respect to u equal this, I can write here, and u is equal to what? U is equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 5. 4x plus 5. Now this is differentiating with respect to x. That is du by dx is equal to d by dx of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now this is 3 is constant into derivative of x square plus 4 into derivative of x plus 5, that is the derivative of 5, that is constant. So this is 3 into derivative of x square is what? 2x, by using n into x power n minus 1, 2 into x power 2 minus 1, that is 2x, plus 4 into derivative of x is 1, derivative of only constant, that is 0. Therefore this is 6x plus 4. This is du by dx. Now we have to find the derivative of y function with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Because du gets cancelled, that becomes dy by dx. Where dy by du is that is 6 into u power 5 into du by dx is, that is du by dx 6x plus 4, that is equal to 6 into where u is equal to, so this is a 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into 6x plus 4 whole power 5, where u is equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 5 whole power 5 into 6x plus 4. So this is the derivative of function. So this is one process. And now we have to discuss another one which is very simple when compared to this one. Just note down. Now second method, so this is let y is equal to, now so this is of the form, treat as whole thing as there is no formula for this, that means that is derivative of x to the power of n is there, but the derivative of x power n is d by dx of x to the power of n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. Suppose if you take derivative of some function of x whole power n, so this is individual x, this is function of x, this you write n into x means what? This whole thing is x, f of x whole power n minus 1 into derivative of f of x. Derivative of this function f of x. Derivative, this is x means what? That is an individual x. So this is just like what? This is an individual x. This is the function of x. Derivative of f of x whole power n means n into, this is treated as x, n into x power n minus 1 into our assumption. We cannot actually, this is not x. We feel that is an x. This we treat as x. So into derivative of our assumption. What is assumption? If I feel that is an x. So x to the power of n into x power n minus 1 into derivative of f of x means what? Derivative of this function x means what? F of x. N into x power n minus 1 into derivative of what you feel this is an x, but not an x, it is a function of x, into derivative of that. Like, so differentiating with respect to x, derivative, that means d by dx of, where y is 3x square plus 4x plus 5 whole power 6. This is just like x to the power of n. X to the power of n, this means what? This is f of x. F of x whole power n. What is the derivative? N into x to the power of n minus 1 into derivative of this, what you feel f of x, That is the derivative. So this you feel x, n into x power n minus 1 into derivative of what you are assuming that x means n into 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into derivative of this function, derivative of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. That is equal to, n means what? This is not 6. Therefore, that is 6 into 3x square plus 4x plus 5 whole power 5 into derivative of 3x square is, that is 6x plus 4. 3 into derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of x is 1. So 4 into 1, derivative constant is 0. So this is the derivative. X to the power of n, f of x whole power n into f of x whole power n minus 1 into derivative of f of x. d by dx of x to the power of n into x to the power of n minus 1. So this is x, this is x, this is x, n into x power n minus 1 into derivative of what you feel x, that is derivative of f of x whole power n into f of x whole power n minus 1 into derivative of f of x. Next one, derivative of x cube plus 6x square minus 18x plus 6 whole power 7 by 2 whole power 7 by 2. That is derivative of x cube plus 6x square minus 18x plus 6 whole power 7 by 3. So this whole thing is the derivative of x to the power of n. Derivative, so this is what? Derivative of, see here, f of x whole power n, some function of x is equal to n into f of x whole power n minus 1 into derivative of f of x. So this is just like x to the power of n into x to the power of n minus 1 into derivative of, this is not x, you feel this is an x power n into x power n minus 1 into derivative of your assumption. What is the derivative? This treat as x, but not this is an x, this is some function of x into derivative of x cube plus 6x square minus 18x plus 6. That is equal to what? So this is x cube plus 6x square minus 18x plus 6. So this is a 7 by 2 into x cube plus 6x square minus 18x plus 6 whole power 7 by 2 minus 1, which is 5 by 2 into derivative of this 3x square, derivative of x cube 3x square, 6 into derivative of x square is 2x, you can write it directly, 2x minus 18 into derivative of x is 1. Okay, now this becomes what? 12x. So this is the derivative of that function. Next one, derivative of sine power 4x. Sine power 4x. This will write derivative of sin x whole power 4. This is just like derivative of x to the power of n. There is no formula for x sine power 4x. We have only standard formulas: x to the power of n, e power x, a power x, log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. There is no log of ax plus b. We don't know. Sin x derivative cos x. Sin square x we don't know. So what I told, the direct formulas are what? X to the power of n, derivative of sin x, derivative of cos x, derivative of tan x, derivative of root x, derivative of secant x, derivative of cosecant x. If the combinations are given, then how to differentiate? So you can compare one of the standard formulas. So this is just like x to the power of n or f of x whole power n. So n into, so this is f of x whole power means sin x whole power 4 minus 1, n into x power n minus 1 into derivative of what you feel x, that is sin x. Okay, f of x whole power n into f of x whole power n minus 1 into derivative of f of x, where f of x equal what? Sin x. That is 4 into, this is sin cube x, into derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Next one, derivative of e power 5x plus 3 derivative. So this is the derivative of e power 5x plus 3 is equal to, we have the formula of derivative of e power x, but no, I can't give the direct formula for e power 5x plus 3. You treat as that becomes e to the power of x. So the whole thing is what? E power x. This is treated as x. That means what? Derivative of e power x. E power x equal to e power x. Now the derivative of, see, this is e power some function of x, that equal to e power f of x into derivative of the function into derivative of f of x. Derivative of f of x. Now this is e power some function of x. So whatever this is, e power 5x plus 3 into derivative of 5x plus 3. That is e power 5x plus 3 into derivative of 5x is 5. Derivative of 3 is 0. So this is equal to 5 into e power 5x plus 3. Next one, derivative of tan of 4x plus 5. derivative of tan of 4x plus 5. So derivative, we have the formula for derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is what? Secant square x. Tan of 4x plus 5. So that is not a standard formula. Tan x is the standard form. So we feel this is the tan x. Treat as x. Derivative of tan x is what? Secant square x. Secant square 4x plus 5 into derivative of what you feel x. The whole thing is treated as x. Treat as x. Derivative of tan x is what? Secant square x, but not exactly x. This is 4x plus 5 into derivative of 4x plus 5. That is equal to secant square of 4x plus 5 into derivative is 4. X derivative 1, derivative constant is 0. This is 4. That is equal to 4 into secant square 4x plus 5. Next one, derivative of log of ax plus b. We have derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. Derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. Derivative of log of some function of x is equal to 1 by f of x into f dash of x into derivative of this. Now this is log x form but not x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. 1 by ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b. Okay, this is log x form. This is x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x but not x into derivative of what you feel x, this is x, into derivative of ax plus b. So 1 by ax plus b into derivative of x is 1 plus the derivative of b is constant. So this is a by ax plus b. So differentiation plays a vital role in mathematics. This is very, very important role, not only in mathematics, in physics and chemistry also. If you are strong in mathematics, particularly differentiation and integration, means of course we discuss in second year. So you feel very much comfortable. So I repeated this word many times. Why? Because second year, if you are, the major topic is the calculus. That is integration. If you are perfect in differentiation, you are able to solve the problems in integration, because the inverse process of differentiation, that is called integration. Inverse process. If you are weak in differentiation, you feel difficult, that is integration. Why? I have to explain once. In first year, we have derivative of sin x is equal to what? Cos x. Implies second year inverse process of differentiation, that is called integration. Integral of cos x dx is equal to sin x. Sin x. Of course, some constant. If you want to derivative of sin x plus c, but the derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative constant is 0. So inverse process of differentiation, like derivative of tan x plus c is equal to derivative of tan x is secant square x. Derivative constant is 0. Implies integral of secant square x dx is equal to is equal to, so this is tan x plus c. So this is the first year and this is second year. If you are not perfect in differentiation, then what about this? So if you are strong in differentiation, second year calculus you feel very easy. What is the derivative of log x equal to here? Derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. Implies integral of 1 by x equal to 1 by x is equal to what? Log x. Log x plus some constant c. So the inverse process of differentiation. So you have to practice differentiation. So differentiation, it's a very important role. So in algebra as well as trigonometry as well as geometry, in total mathematics, differentiation, you have to face all these topics. So we have to practice differentiation more number of times. But even though this is not unnecessary for this, but so just I can give just a prior information. If you are weak in differentiation, what happens in second year? Next one. Log of sin x, derivative of. So derivative of this is x, 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x. That is equal to 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. So that is cos x by sin x is cot x. That is the derivative. Now we know the derivative of root x is equal to what? 1 by 2 root x, if it is an only x. Suppose if it is a function of x, derivative of root f of x is equal to 1 by 2 root f of x into derivative of this function into derivative of f of x. Derivative of f of x. Now we have derivative of root of x square plus a square. So this is derivative of root x, 1 by 2 root x square plus a square into derivative of this one, derivative of internal part, x square plus a square. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 into root of x square plus a square into derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of a square is 0 because this is constant. Don't write 2a. A is constant, a square is constant, x, that is variable. So 2 gets cancelled, that is equal to x by root of x square plus a square. Next one, derivative of x plus root of x square plus 1 whole to the power of n. Whole power n. This is just like x to the power of n form. F of x whole power n. Now the derivative of f of x whole power n is equal to what? N into f of x whole power n minus 1 into derivative of f of x. So this is n into x to the power of n minus 1. That is x plus root of x square plus 1 into derivative of this whole thing is f of x into derivative of x plus root of x square plus 1. Now it is n into x plus root of x square plus 1 whole power n minus 1 into derivative of x is 1. Derivative of this is root x 1 by 2 root x 1 by 2 root x square plus 1 into this is derivative of internal derivative into derivative of root derivative of x square plus 1 x square plus 1 x derivative 1, no doubt at all. This is a derivative of root x. This is root of f of x. So 1 by 2 root f of x into derivative of f of x. Okay, if you treat as this is f of x, 1 by 2 root f of x into derivative of f of x. F of x is x square plus 1. Now that is n into x plus root of x square plus 1 whole power n minus 1 into so this is 1 plus, so this is 1 by 2 root x square plus 1 into derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of 1 is 0, so x 2 gets cancelled, 2 that is cancelled, that is equal to n into x plus root of x square plus 1 whole power n minus 1 into, but taking LCM, this is root of x square plus 1 is LCM. This becomes root of x square plus 1 plus x. Now this is power is this, right? X plus root of x square plus 1. X plus root of x square plus 1. Bases are equal. That is n into x plus root of x square plus 1. This is power is 1. Okay? And n minus 1 plus 1 by this is root of x square plus 1. Okay, that is equal to n into this is x plus root of x square plus 1 whole power n by root of x square plus 1. Next one, derivative of sine of 4x plus 5. Sine of 4x plus 5. This is just like sine x form. See, derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Derivative of sine of f of x, some function of x, is equal to cos of f of x into derivative of f of x. Okay. Now this is a derivative of sin x form. Sin x derivative cos x. Cos of 4x plus 5 into derivative of this is 4x plus 5. That is cos of 4x plus 5 into derivative of 4. 4x derivative, 4 into derivative of x is 1. Derivative of constant is 0. Next one, derivative of sin cube derivative of sin cube ax plus b. So in this one there are three functions. First one is x to the power of n. Second one is sin form, sin x. Third one is ax plus b. What is the first function is what? So this is derivative of sin of ax plus b whole cube. Okay, this is x to the power of n, first function. Theta, this is x to the power of n, x power n, that is n into sin of ax plus b whole power n minus 1. First function x to the power of n, second function sin x, third function ax plus b. In this one it involves three functions, x power n, sin x, ax plus b. Derivative of x power n, n into x power n minus 1. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay, derivative of ax plus b again. So n into x to the power of n minus 1 into derivative of sin x, sin of ax plus b. That is equal to 3 into sin of ax plus b whole square into derivative of this is just like sin x form, sin f of x. Sin f of x. Derivative of sin is cos ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b. Derivative of ax plus b. So this is equal to 3 into sin of ax plus b whole square means you can write sin square into this is cos of ax plus b into derivative of a, x derivative 1, derivative of b is constant which is 0. So I will give you some problems. Find the derivatives of the following. Find the derivatives of first one, sin of 4x plus 3 cos cube x tan cube x 4x cube plus 6x square minus x plus 1 whole power 9 by 2. Log of tan x, tan of e power x, secant of e power x, cosecant of 4x plus 5. Now find the derivative of these functions. Okay, thank you.